Looking for the quietest beverage cooler that keeps your drinks perfectly chilled without the annoying noise? You're in the right place. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you get better ideas about different kinds of products. And in this video, we break down the top low-noise beverage coolers for homes, offices, and entertainment spaces. Number 1. Vremi 120 Can Beverage Cooler. The Vremi 120 Can Beverage Cooler is my top pick because it's a good balance between noise emissions, price, functionality, and efficiency. This beverage cooler holds up to 120 standard-sized cans across 3 adjustable shelves. You can also use the bottom of the fridge for storing larger bottles if needed. Although a minor feature, the shelves have raised edges, which help stop your drinks from rolling out of the fridge. This beverage fridge is rated at 42 decibels, which is presumably when the compressor is running. Based on my experience handling other similar-sized beverage coolers, I can reasonably assume it sits at around 38 decibels when the compressor is off. The Vremi uses compressor cooling and has a temperature range of 34 to 50 Fahrenheit, which you control using a touchscreen. It runs cooler than some other models on the list, meaning it won't be suitable for drinks like red wine. However, it'll be ideal for beer, soda, and white wine. Number 2. Comfy CRV 115 TAST 115 Can Refrigerator. The Comfy CRV 115 TST 115 Can Refrigerator is slightly smaller than the Vremi above and comes with fewer features. Regardless, it makes a great budget-friendly pick. This fridge has a 115 can capacity, meaning it's marginally smaller than the Vremi. With 3 adjustable shelves, you've got plenty of options for holding larger bottles if needed. It's a freestanding model, which is most evident in the fact that it's only 19 inches wide. However, it offers decent capacity considering it's up to 5 inches narrower than an under-counter model. The door hinge is reversible, and there's an interior LED, although you have to turn this on manually, rather than it coming on when you open the door. The Comfy is another compressor cooling model, rated at 42 dB. Some users state its noise is noticeable, but not distracting, which fits this kind of noise output. Number 3. HCK 161 Can Beverage Cooler. The HCK 161 Can Beverage Cooler doesn't offer loads of features over the Vremi model, but its price is justified in the superior construction and appearance, if nothing else. Unlike the other models on this list, the HCK has a metal door. We could argue that this improves its insulation, but the difference might not be super noticeable. It can be used as either freestanding or under-counter, thanks to its front-end ventilation panel. Arguably, its best feature over other beverage coolers is that it's rated for outdoor use. The fridge is IPX4 rated, meaning it can withstand splashes, including rain. The HCK is rated at 45 dB when the compressor is running and 39 dB when it's off. While this is one of the louder beverage fridges, it'll be far less noticeable outdoors. Plus, its compressor off noise level is only 1 dB higher than the Vremi. Number 4. Bodega 100 Can Beverage Cooler. With a width of only 15 inches, the Bodega 100 Can Beverage Cooler is a good option for anyone who wants to maximize their drink storage without taking up too much room. Most beverage coolers are closer to 19 inches or above in width. Weight like the HCK, it's completely stainless steel and has a foam-insulated door. It's rather small capacity, only 100 liters, and the foam insulation are some of the reasons it's so energy efficient. It consumes around 0.413 kilowatt-hours per day, which translates to an impressive 150 kilowatt-hours per year. Weight like the HCK, it's completely stainless steel and has a foam-insulated door. It's rather small capacity, only 100 liters. That's the top end of the scale for quiet beverage fridges. Number 5. Tiles a Wine and Beverage Refrigerator. If you can't decide between a wine or beverage cooler, why not get both? The Tiles a Wine and Beverage Refrigerator has separate sides for more effective storage. This cooler mimics normal American refrigerators in that it has 2 swing doors for its separate compartments. On one side, you have space for cans, which has wire rack shelves. On the other side, you can store wine on wood shelves. Its capacity is 57 cans and 18 bottles of wine. At 24 inches wide, it's still compact enough to be fitted under a counter, or you could have it freestanding. It has glass doors, although there's unfortunately no mention of them having UV resistance. This refrigerator is rated at 42 dB when the compressor is running and 38 dB when it's off. This puts it in line with the first two picks. However, we can give it the title of Best Quiet Wine Cooler, as it's the only wine cooler on the list.